Well, today is another milestone moment here on the homestead. Amy and I have been cutting up some trees and clearing up some areas, and we just got the call. The delivery that we're waiting for is about 5 minutes away. So we're gonna wrap this up and get over to meet up with the delivery.
Keep our air conditioner right before the heat wave. All strapped in. Once the backup driver or the delivery driver gets on his way, we'll head back up the hill. Poor guy.
Well, we got our delivery and I am so excited. Our house is going to get air conditioning, but not just any air conditioning. We're going with Signature Solar's hybrid 24,000 BTU heat pump mini split. So it's a hybrid because it can work in 3 different modes. It can work solar only, it could work grid only, or it can work solar priority and then grid if there's not enough sun. So in the summer, we're gonna have plenty of sun and we'll have ample power to power an air conditioner. Where this is really gonna shine, we hope, is in the winter, where we wanna take the chill off the house, or maybe we wanna go on a trip and don't want our pipes to freeze. This will be able to keep the house at a reasonable temperature without freezing. Everything arrived on one pallet, nothing looks damaged, so we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing this and show you what we've got. We're a little bit ahead of ourselves because we don't have the roof that these solar panels are gonna go on, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We'll go ahead and when we get to the install video, right above this window on the inside is the inside unit, and right below this window down under what will be the future deck will be the outside compressor unit. In the meantime, until we have our deck and our porch roof, we're gonna go ahead and lean up all the solar panels against the house in the proper angle that they'll attract the sun during the summer. This package came with 7 of the Sirius 418 watt bifacial solar panels. This mini split has a SEER 2 rating of 21 and an EER of 11.7, making it among some of the highest efficiency units on the market today. The easy do-it-yourself installation allows for quick refrigerant line set connections via the Quick Connect self-closing companion valves, which eliminates the need for special tools, equipment, or training. There is no need to pull a vacuum. The family of EG4 Solar Mini-Splits feature plug-and-cool DIY technology, the highest efficiency ratings, and a 5-year limited warranty. These are really beautiful panels. I'm pretty impressed with them. It's nice to not have the aluminum colored frames. The black frames are very nice. They feel very high quality, and I'm excited to see how much power we're going to get out of each one. So now we'll start opening the boxes. We'll start with the smallest one first. And the smallest one is probably my only criticism of this system. It comes with the outdoor unit, the indoor unit, and the solar panels, but it does not come with a solar disconnect. We're gonna have 2,900 watts of solar coming into this, and we need to have a way to turn it off. And so I went ahead and added to my order an IMO solar disconnect. So we will be able to isolate out the solar so we don't electrocute ourselves. So this is the indoor unit. This is the part of the unit that goes indoors because it says indoor unit. See, you don't need to be a professional. No. This is the indoor unit. We will open this inside. We'll take the outdoor unit off and we'll open it up, but I'm going to need my helper. So this is the outdoor compressor and condenser unit. Very similar to the couple mini splits that Amy and I have already installed in the past. We've done some Pioneer units where we've had to actually evacuate all of the air out of the system, bring it into a vacuum before we release the refrigerant that is stored inside the compressor. So this system is going to be a lot nicer because the lines have been pre-evacuated. So they've already been pulled into a vacuum. They've got the nice fittings where we can connect them, not contaminate the system, and not have to pull it down into a vacuum with a vacuum pump. So this is truly a DIY system. So here's the line set. There's a high pressure set and a low pressure set. High pressure is the small one, and the low pressure is the bigger diameter one. So this is the high pressure side. When we connect this to the compressor, it will open the valve that will release the vacuum that's inside these lines. These lines are 16 feet long, so we should have plenty of room to reach our indoor unit. So on this side of our compressor unit, we have our solar input. This is gonna come from our solar disconnect right into the unit. Then there's also a plug here where we can put our power line coming from our 30 amp disconnect. So this is a 220 volt system. So we're gonna bring a 30 amp, 220 volt circuit over here with a disconnect. So I'm gonna take this cover off so we can see what's underneath it. So here are our high pressure and low pressure connections to our indoor unit. We've got our cotter pins for locking our fittings once they're tight. We have our condensate drain from the compressor. We have a nice vinyl wrap to protect the line sets. And it takes R410A. Now that we have all the outside stuff unboxed, let's go ahead and take the indoor unit inside and see what's in it. So we'll bring the inside unit inside and see what's in it. All right, so the first thing we have is a nice wall template, which will tell us where to drill our hole and how to mount our bracket. Really like how nicely everything is packed. Our condensation drain. This looks very similar to all the Pioneer stuff. That's nice. They give us actual MC4 connectors that match the MC4 connectors on the solar panels. Got our remote. So the issue they don't mention about the control wire is that if you extend the line sets, you're going to have to extend your control wire as well, which is not a big deal, but if you're not prepared for it, it could be a stall. And we have another roll of line set tape. But we also bought on our own a line set cover kit, which will cover all of our line sets outside the house. Beautiful. I like it. So that's the end of our unboxing video of the EG4 24,000 BTU Solar Mini-Split that we got from Signature Solar. Check out our link in the description below to go to Signature Solar's website and try to pick up one of these for yourself while they still last. Stay tuned for our next video where we install the Mini-Split. See you later.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along.